As we await the ECB decision for our markets, we were in a very tight range and closed on the lower side with volumes very disappointing. So it was just about quiet for the benchmark indices. But this time around, you had the broader markets which did well for themselves. So the mid-cap index inched up by 0.2%, and it was the small-cap index which really saw a good flicker of green, higher by just about 30 points. Let's pull up the sectoral movers. Oil and gas and banking weighed down on the index, lower by just about 1% or so, while the consumer durables and power index held up in the green. To some of the index losers for today, Ken India was a big disappointment. Tata Motors as well as Tata Powers featured on the losers list, and BPCL also shaved off 1.5%. But given that the volumes were abysmally low this time around, let's get in a check as to how the F&O activity panned out. We've got Navneet Saluja standing by. Navneet.
Hi, Awan. Well, you were just talking about the volumes. If you look at the F&O volumes for today, they were about 55,800 crore on NSE, and that's essentially because on account of Raksha Bandhan, so you had many of the brokers who had taken off, especially in the northern region of India. And looking at the closing, quite a choppy session. But if you look at the Nifty August futures, they had a good closing above the 5250 mark with good amount of premium of about 26 points, adding about 7.6 lakh shares in today's trading session. On the option side, the most active strikes for 5300 call and 5200 puts. So you had the Nifty trading in that range today, and Nifty held up its gains again above the 5200 mark. And if you look at the Nifty PCR, that closed at about 1.09. So you had a lot of call writing happening in the system today. If you look at strikes like 5300, that added about 5 lakh shares. 5500 strike added close to 7 lakh shares. On the put side, significant amount of writing was seen at 5000, which added close to 10 lakh shares, and also you had 4800 put strike, which added just about 3.7 lakh shares. And on the stock futures front, among the Nifty gainer, you had NTPC, where fresh long positions were being seen. On the short side, you had Ken India and Tata Motors, which closed in the red. Fresh shorts were seen there, and some of the oil marketing companies like BPCL, HPCL, they too closed the session in red. Fresh shorts were seen there. Well, two mid-cap counters performed really well today. One of them was United Spirits, which shot up over 5% in today's trading session, and the other was Cummins, which came out with its number and the stock reacted positively. So huge amount of long positions were being built in both these counters. In terms of open interest addition, Cummins open interest for the August series rose by almost 124% today. So do keep an eye on this counter tomorrow as well. And the other counters were TTK Prestige and Voltas, where significant amount of open interest addition was seen. With that, it's back to you.
Okay, thanks very much, Navneet, for giving us that perspective in the F&O space.